Hello everyone. It is one of Denver's first snows of the year. It's November 3rd and Charlie is in Grandpa Hotman's snow outfit from when he was a baby. I don't think it's going to fit much longer, but we got it on him, bonnet and all. He looks like a little lady. Dude, you look like a lady. Charlie. And then our other baby is enjoying this. So Jakey. What do you think? Oh boy. Oh, somebody's in love. Somebody's in love. Somebody's in love with the snow. Charlie's got it fully on his mittens, and now he's playing open and shut them. Oh, Jacob Hubbard, you're a mess. Jacob, look at you. Look at you. What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? What is he doing, Charlie? He's being crazy. What do you think of the snow? And Jake? Is Jakey being so silly? Is he being so silly? Oh, he's gonna make a snow angel maybe. Or maybe a castle. Or maybe nothing at all. Go for it, Chuck. Go for it, Chuck. What do you think? Oh! Go for it. All right, I think that's about enough. I'll say we'll call it a success, won't we, Chuck? Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Or not. Bye, everyone.